Hello dear students, today we are going to see different types of computers, different keys of keyboard and parts of mouse. So let's start our video. Firstly, we will see different types of computer. There are mainly three types of computer. So first is desktop computer. Are you having at your home? The computer which can be fitted on a desk is called desktop computer. Second is the laptop computer. Laptop computers are the computer which you can place on your lap and can work on it. Then third is the palm top computer. You can easily keep palm top computer on your palm and can work on it. I think you might have not seen it, but now you can see it through picture. So three types of computers are desktop computer, laptop computer and palm top computer. Now let us see different keys of keyboard and parts of mouse. At the top left corner is the escape key to exit from any application. Just near to the escape key are the function keys from F1 to F12, which are used to perform some specific functions. Below the function keys are the numeric keys having special symbols above it. So these are symbol keys or numeric keys. Near to the function keys, delete key is there to delete any character. Below the delete key is the backspace key to delete any character backside. Now look at the left. Tab key is there to move your cursor one tab forward. There are two shift keys on the keyboard, one at the left side and another on the right side. Similarly, you are having two control keys, one at the left and second at the right. Both keys are at the bottom of the keyboard. All this set of keys are known as alphabet keys. We will type letters through these alphabet keys. These four are the arrow keys to navigate your cursor up, down, left and right. This is the enter key. This is the most important key on the keyboard. Now come to the parts of mouse. Left click button lies on the left side of the mouse. Right click button on the right side of the mouse. And look at the center, a wheel is there, isn't it? That is scroll wheel. So let us revise. Firstly, different types of computers. So first was the desktop computers, second laptop, and third was the palm top computer. Then we have seen different keys on the keyboard. There was one more important key on the keyboard, that is caps lock key, just between the tab key and shift key. And then we have seen different parts of mouse. So have you enjoyed the video? Have you learned from the video? Now we will meet in our next video. Thank you.